Good morning children, this is the video for class 4. Today we will learn about kind of tense. As you know, tense shows the time of action. There are three main tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Let's understand it seeing this chart. As you can see, each tense has 4 parts. Present tense has 4 parts. First, simple present, which is also called present indefinite tense, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Same that past tense has 4 parts and future tense has also 4 parts. Just have a look. So there are 12 possible verb tenses. Children, today we will learn only about present tense. As you have learned in the first video of tense that a verb that shows an action in present time is said to be in present tense. Now, simple present tense. Simple present tense shows an action that takes place as a habit or routine in the present time. It denotes all the habit and action that takes place immediately. But we do not know whether the action is complete or not. As example, he gets up early in the morning. I go to school every day. Here, the verb gets up and goes shows the habitual action and routine in present. So, these tense are simple present tense. As you know, we use base form of verb if the subject is plural, and if the subject is singular we add s or es to the base form to make it simple present tense. Now present continuous tense. It denotes an action that is happening now, a live action. When we talk about an action that is happening at the present moment or is in progress around now, but not exactly at the time of speaking, the action has still not finished, we use present continuous tense. As you can see, present continuous tense shows that the action going on and is incomplete in the present time. As example, I am reading a book and the children are playing in the playground. Here, am reading and are playing shows a continuous action and are going on in present time. Children, in this sentence, if the subject is singular, we use is along with main verb in ing form, and if the subject is plural, we use are along with the verb in ing form, and am is used with I. Now, you can see the structure of this tense. Subject plus is or am plus verb in ing form plus object. Next is present perfect tense. It denotes an action that happened already, recent past tense. As you can see, present perfect tense shows a complete action in the present time. As example, I have done my homework. He has lived here for 4 years. इससे यह बोध होता है कि कोई कार्य तुरंत समाप्त हुआ है और इसका प्रभाव अब भी शेष है. In example, you can see have done and has lived shows the action have been completed in the present time. Here we use has or have along with the past participle of main verb, means third form of verb. In this sentence, if the subject is singular, we use has with third form of main verb, and if the subject is plural, we use have with third form of main verb. Now, present perfect continuous tense. It is used to express an action which completed in the past and still is continuing. We generally use the preposition since or for in the sentence. Where we use since and where we use for in the sentence, we study this later. वो कार्य जो पास्ट टेंस से में शुरू हुआ और प्रेजेंट टेंस में भी जारी है, इस तरह के वाक्य को परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस कहते हैं. नाउ as let's see the examples. He has been suffering from fever. I have been living in Delhi. Here has been suffering and have been living shows the action started in the past and still is happening. We use has been along with main verb in ing form for singular subject and have been plus verb in ing form for plural subject. Let's see the structure. Subject plus has been or have been plus verb in ing form plus object. Now here the table of present tense that will make you easy to understand these tenses. Just have a look. Present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. In first column we sing, we are singing, we have sung, we have been singing. Same that you can see others the examples. Now I am giving you a worksheet for your practice, so check the second link. Thank you.